Waste management service in Waco Metropolitan Area. At Flat Creek Solutions, finding a reliable waste management service in Waco Metropolitan Area can be overwhelming. We have established our reputation by providing reliable, affordable, and efficient waste solutions across the state. Whether you're a homeowner tackling a renovation or a contractor managing a large project, we've got you covered. We take pride in offering a wide range of dumpster sizes to accommodate any need. Our team works with you to determine the best solution based on your project's scope. We prioritize on-time delivery and quick pickup, ensuring your work stays on track. We believe in transparent pricing, so no hidden fees or surprises exist. It's our goal to make the process stress-free from start to finish. Sustainability is important to us. That's why we dispose of waste responsibly and follow all environmental regulations. From residential cleanouts to commercial debris removal, we're here to simplify the job. We value communication and provide friendly, responsive support at every step. Our commitment to customer satisfaction sets us apart from other providers in the industry. Call us at 254-307-9211 to schedule your dumpster rental or learn more. We look forward to helping you keep your space clean and clutter-free. Let's partner to manage your waste smartly, with efficiency, transparency, and care for the environment.